Postural pains is what we occur. This can occur in any age group. Today, these days, it's more in the younger people. And it is common now more because the screen usage has increased. So let's not be very sarcastic about it, but all of us do need to use our screens now, and it's imperative. That's part of our life. So bad postures through screen usage is going to worsen our posture, and that will cause the muscle fatigue, and that will cause postural pains. So these will be worse on the same posture. Like they'll say that, you know, I have to work in front of the computer the whole day. By the end of the day, all these become very achy and very painful. Morning when I get up, I'm pretty good. Or the days that I'm not working and I'm on vacation, I have zero pain. So these are postural pains which will last during a wrong posture followed by some time later. They will get better once they improve their posture. By just a slouch over correct, they start getting better. What I'm trying to say is that normally what happens is people tend to be away from the computer, I mean the table, and they are slouching. So they're just doing this and they start getting the ache. Just getting the slouch over corrected and getting them here, which changes their curve, will relieve their pain. Just a slouch over correct can relieve their pain. These are basic ways of knowing postural pains. And when you examine these guys, most of their range of motion will be full. Once in a while, you will have a little bit of spasm, say in a periscapular area or in the dorsal lumbar area. And the tenderness will also be very random and very non-specific. You have to find out what their ergonomics is and what are their habits. Majority of the times, just the change in their ergonomics of the workstation, just the change in their habit, the way they are sitting, makes the whole difference. You have to make them understand the need for improving their posture and doing regular exercises. All those people who have postures or their need in professional need is to sit for long hours, you have to tell them that you have to spend more time on this place. So spend money on getting a better chair, on getting a better table, or at least a set where the table and chair match each other. A lot of people have the chair not being able to go into the table. That's no point.